Now we can begin reassembling the firearm. Place the bolt head inside the body and align the cam pin slot. Insert the cam pin with the index line pointed toward the rear. Then push the firing pin forward and hold it in place while pressing the retaining pin in. Be careful not to damage the rubber washer that tensions the retaining pin. When placing the bolt in the receiver, make sure that the link is in its recess in the action spring follower. Put the operating handle in place. Next, insert the trigger group into the receiver while pressing the bolt release. When you have it in place, insert the pin into the receiver to retain it. The receiver is now complete, but before we can install the barrel, the gas pistons must be placed back in their channels and the plug screwed down snugly. Next, depress the cartridge release and pull the operating handle rearward to lock the bolt open. Slide the barrel into the receiver, then put on the fore end. Reinstall the magazine cap or magazine extension and the job is complete. The firearm is now fully assembled. Make sure you function test it by cycling the action and verifying that the safety works properly. A final wipe down completes the job.